Westside Place 2101D, Tower 4. Let's have a look. Wow. It's the bathroom. Very, very nice. I like the scheme, the color scheme. Very modern. And the tiles like marble kind of grains. And you've got a little bathtub. And you have a bench top, beautiful bench top here. Okay. Let's have a look at the dishwasher. It's a fridge cavity. And you've got your pantry space. Beautiful. Let's have a look at the view. We are on the 21st floor and we still got very decent water views. Beautiful. Look at the space. Huge space, and it comes with the free blinds. This is master bedroom. You've got a beautiful, sizable study nook. Again, you see the water view. Blinds installed. And we'll have a look at the second bedroom later. Okay, second bedroom, it's like this.